Welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. We are RLR's Design, and we are here to show and tell you about our health centre, the venue of health.
Our company. We have designed our health centre and now we've called it the venue of health. Our aim is to win with the health centre.
The purpose is for the people of North Port for any age so everyone can get fit and healthy. We gave a survey out to the public so we'd know what they would like. We had to think of ideas for the health centre to make it the best. We had to think of numerous ideas, but only a few got it.
We made a leaflet to advertise our health centre so more people will come to the health centre. We had to think about how people would travel to the venue of health to reduce our carbon footprint. We had to make it eco-friendly, so we wrote a piece of information about the eco-friendly features we have. For example, we use lime plaster, which is weaker than normal plaster but is just as strong as enough and more eco-friendly. What's inside? In our health centre we have rooms suitable for all ages, like the pool and youth room. We also have a games room. There are more pictures of rooms if you would like to see after our presentation. We have relaxing areas for adults so they can relax without having to worry about the kids. Kids can go to the kids club or the game room and they will have lots of fun. We created a piece of artwork which you can see. We tried to make it as different as possible.
In our cafe, we have a healthy menu. We have food suitable for vegetarians. We have food from all the categories of the food service, so everyone can have a healthy diet. Our menu contains vitamins and minerals, so your body will keep healthy. It contains carbohydrates to give you energy, and not too many fatty foods because they are bad for your heart. Clubs and activities. In our health centre, we have clubs for all ages, like golf, hiking, cycling and lots more. We also have adventurous clubs like rock climbing. There are lots of clubs and activities for all ages like cycling and gardening club. In our garden we have a wishing pond and all the money in the wishing pond will go to charity. We have a crazy golf course which has 8 balls for all the family to enjoy. We have a river where you can go and feed the ducks. We have a picnic area for all the family to relax and have a spot for lunch in the sunshine.
Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Goodbye.